Welcome to another video, specifically a vlog. There's a lot to do today because my parents left me for a warmer climate at 4 this morning for 3 weeks. I am very offended by said thing. Okay, I thought my this wasn't working, my microphone, but it is. But I have a lot of things to do. Apparently Canada is the coldest place today, so that's great. I live in Canada. Awesome. We're supposed to have a snowstorm. Awesome. And my sister's sick. Awesome. So let's get the day started, shall we? The first thing on the agenda is my bed is a mess. Absolute mess. You can see in the corner, my laundry needs to be done. Yay. So it's gonna be a bunch of chores. Oh, I also have to shovel. Yay, I have to shovel the driveway. And my little, hold on. Come here, you. Come here. This dog run for the pooches so they can poop and pee. I have a lot of work to do. So let's get started. So I forgot that there's white laundry in here that I have to do first before I do my clothing. So let's get that done. Let's do that first. Why is that like that? Oh my God, I swear. Ew. Why is it so chunky? Jess? This is really weird.
What's wrong?
Look at this. Did Dad mix the...
I know, it's all... I saw that last night. I don't know what the hell he did.
Did he mix the Tide and Downy together? Like he put Tide in here instead of water?
Oh, shit.
Are you fucking kidding me? So I don't know what to do.
Well, I saw that last night. I ran stuff.
Okay.
Oh. I mean, it is possible. I mean, like, what's the worst thing that could happen?
Yeah.
It's not... I mean, it is possible.
That's, I think, what he did because I don't understand why it's so blue.
It's true.
Are you serious? We might have to get Downy, like, proper. We might have to order it again. I need to talk to Mom about that because look.
Oh, yeah.
I think he mixed the Tide and Downy together.
You know what? You're probably right. Because pour that. Yup. You know what? That's exactly what he fucking did. What the hell?
Okay. Well, we now need to check. Can you check if we have Downy downstairs? So now the dryer's going underneath you. So apparently that was fine. Although I'm still not pleased that my dad mixed the two Tide and Downy together, but nothing happened to the machine. So that's good. So now I'm going to do my laundry some more. The whites have been done. Now I need to do pants because I have to put my sister's snow pants in, and they're really gross and dirty. Wait. So my pants are in, and everything else is on the floor. So let me just clean that up first. So hopefully all of this will fit in the next load, but I'm not sure about that. Oh well, let's have some lunch. It's really not snowing that bad. They said we were having a snowstorm, but like the snow's not falling that hard. So it's really not bad compared to other snowstorms that we've had this last season. So hopefully I'll be able to go to work tomorrow, and my sister will be able to go to the clinic. What a perfect second day to living on our own for 3 weeks. My sister's sick and she has to go to the clinic, but it is windy. I don't know if you can see that. No, you can't. The wind picked up. But yeah, I'm hoping I can go to work tomorrow because I need some money for the trip. That would be nice. And yes, I think the last vlog, I had sushi, my New Year's Eve. And no, this is not the same one all the way from New Year's Eve. No, we had it last night for dinner. Because we tried to order it a couple of nights ago, or like a week ago, and I'm pretty sure our Amazon order got stolen. My sushi got stolen like a week ago, and so I was really pissed. So my mom's like, do you want to try again tonight or last night? And I was like, okay, but it arrived, so that's good. There is my spicy tuna. My mom doesn't think it's tuna. And then this is what my dad ordered, but he didn't like it because apparently he doesn't like avocado. Avocado is like a staple in sushi, so I don't really know what his problem was. So I get to eat his sushi. Okay, third load running. We have to now fold white towels, and the next load will be sheets. We are just flying through this. All right, one laundry fold done, waiting for the other loads to be done, and now I'm gonna go shovel some snow. I really don't want to, but if I don't do it, then it's just gonna pile up, and I wish I'd done it sooner. Jess, I think I'm gonna shovel some snow.
Oh, really?
Yep. Yep. If it's too cold, then I will stop.
I would shovel, but I'm sick. I'm going to the doctor tomorrow, so Neil has to do all the outside stuff. Are you gonna put your camera outside?
No. I might.
Do outside shot?
I might do put it here.
Well, how are you gonna do that?
With my tripod. I have.
You mean like on the porch?
No, don't worry. I have an idea.
Okay. So I'm going to try. I might have gone crazy, but we're getting laundry done. Wait, you stay in here. Did you go?
Okay, now it's time. We shoveled. We did more laundry. And now it's time to make the bed. My least favorite task ever. So let's go do that now. All done. Now we have to go fold the pants that are in the corner. Let's go do that now.
We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger. Run away and embrace the day. The sun is out, won't go away. Feel the clouds on your shoulder. Touch the sky out feeling bolder. Going out, going all the way.
Nose. Specifically pants. I have to hang up these jeans. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Hold on. Doing this off camera for just a sec. Jeans are nicely hung. There we go. And then this nice pair of pants. Nicely hung. Somewhat nice. There we go. Done. Some yummy dinner. I'm just gonna go nuke it. I took a nap. Don't mind my hair. You should have taken a nap since you're sick. But you decided.
I'll go to bed early tonight.
That is our dinner for tonight. Whoop, I still can't figure out this camera. It is so annoying. It just chooses to do whatever it wants. That's my only problem with this camera. I find the gimbal system really hard to use. Oh, and now the dogs need to be let back in the house. Come on, girls. Let's go. Yeah, you cold? Is it cold out? Yeah, I'm sure it is. After dinner, I will finish the laundry because I wanted to take a break. So I did and ended up watching some YouTube and falling asleep. So I'll do it after dinner when I have some food in my belly and mental energy to do it. So, you know how I said that my parents were going on a trip? Or are on their trip? Well, I am also going on a trip. It's just in 3 weeks. So I'm packing all the underwear that I found today, putting it in my luggage that is already packed. Because I pack really early. Okay, so I'm gonna try to squish my underwears in wherever I can find them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. 6. I'm gonna have to do this in the other one. Come here. Unzip, please. 5, 6, 7, 8. I know I'm going on a 8-day trip, but I'll bring one extra just in case. 9. Let's hope I have underwear for the next 3 weeks. I am only going away for a week in Feb, but I am very excited, and I will be taking you guys along with us, as we usually do, for our annual family trip to Curacao. I think this is like the 5th video of family of going to Curacao, and yes, we are staying in a new place again. Come on. There we go. We're staying in a new place. We are staying on the same quote-unquote resort, but we are staying in a new building. Wait, I have to put this back. Oi, oi, oi. Wait. Oh. We did it. We did all the laundry, all the shoveling, and all everything today. And the day's still not done. I have to clean my closet, and I don't want to. I took a shower, I brushed my teeth, I watched some YouTube for a little while, and now the last thing to do is take my meds for bed. This tiny little pill for my endometriosis and my melatonin to help my REM behavior sleep disorder. One pill, 2 pills. And with that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!